breaking news. 2 girls found dead in the woods this Tuesday afternoon after recording their own murder. Detectives are currently working on unmasking this hidden killer.
Oh my gosh, Diana. Would you want to go on a walk with me?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. That was a really bad joke.
I know. How's Brad doing?
Brad?
Brad doing?
Yeah, I think he's gonna ask me to the dance. He hasn't done it yet, but like I know he's gonna make it a really big thing. And she forgot that I existed, and it's half my fault.
These shoes are
Stop your mouth. What the heck is that?
This is why I don't go on walks with you.
What the heck is that?
Why'd you have to get it in when I didn't
What do you mean me?
I didn't start mewing back then. Why
are my feet in there?
You picked it out.
I didn't do it.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, you're kidding.
No.
I don't even have this picture. You have this picture. You took it. See?
No.
Oh, come on. This is your idea to do the walk.
I don't want a freaking knife.
Oh, this is so stupid. Let's just keep going.
No. Okay.
Are you good?
What do you mean?
I don't know. You're being weird.
I'm fine. You feel cold?
I don't know. When we were like, it's kind of more sunny now, so I feel like I'm not. Oh. Look, there's like a hammock.
Yeah.
I was gonna like sit down.
It's probably someone's camp or something.
Yeah. Yeah, we should sit down for a second. Nobody's here. I think it's fine.
For like 2 minutes.
Oh. I found like a piece of paper here.
Don't go through this.
I think nobody's here. Wait.
What does it say?
438. That's your address.
No, it's not. Wait.
That literally,
Hold
that's
on.
where you live.
Give me.
Look. Isn't that your work?
Why would you do that?
No. Look, that's your work
Is this
schedule.
your plate? Are you kidding?
Yeah. Okay, be dead serious. Did you do this?
No.
What the heck?
I think you do it at home.
Yeah.
Do you think you should call somebody or something?
I don't know.
I'm pretty feeling about this anymore.
Yeah. I don't think it's any service though.
No, I mean.
Is that sticks? Oh my gosh, I think there's someone behind us.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, come on.
There's literally somebody right there.
We have to go. Come on.
Keep going.
Watch out. Don't fall. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
What the heck?
Diana, no!
Oh my gosh. Are you okay? Come on. We have to go. We have to go.
What have we here? Trying to record evidence. Well, detectives, you can't hide behind the screen any longer. I know where you are. And you're next.
Three, two, one. 3, 2.
I kind of like the sound of her being dragged.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
We freestyle.
Sometimes I am so strong that I can't even speak. I work out 8 days a week. I may not look cool, but I'm so unique. Mrs. Stack is the best teacher.
Eyebrows on fleek.
Linga. I think I'm gonna have a heart attack.
That's a wrap. Wait, can you do like really
Does
good?
not feel like good form.
Okay,
Okay,
be
just
careful
push
the
it, push
knife
it.
doesn't like